Hi, my name is Bernard von Schulman.
Hi, I'm Ted Godwin.
I'm Sean DeWolf.
We're a group that are going to be doing a series of videos about the issues that matter in the municipal elections this year.
You can vote! Hey, Ted here for Victoria Vision, here to talk to you about voting. If you've ever ridden on a bus, if you've ever driven on the road, used the library, if you've ever flushed a toilet in this town, you have an interest in what's happening in these municipal elections. The people who control these things are who we're going to vote for. And you need to be able to cast your ballot for the person who's going to do the best job for you. Some people think that only homeowners can vote, and that's wrong. Homeowners can vote, but you're a renter, so what? You have just as much stake as they do. There is no reason for you not to get out there and cast a ballot. And I'll give you the checklist so you can know if you're eligible. Here's the checklist to find out if you're eligible to vote. Are you now, or have you ever been, 18 years of age? Are you a Canadian citizen? Have you lived in the province of British Columbia for 6 months? Have you lived in your local municipality for the last month? That's it. That's all you need. Well, unless a judge has told you you can't vote, but that's probably not very many of you. So the idea is, go down and register. Make your voice heard. Because on November 15th, we need to elect people who are going to do the right job for us. This has been another episode of Victoria Vision. If you need more info, follow our blog at victoriavision.blogspot.ca. You'll find information on candidates and how to register to vote. See you at the polls.